Okay, I have this Miss Marvel #1. I cleaned and pressed it once already, but I'm just not happy with the results. So I'm gonna clean it one more time and press it again because it still has some waviness in this top edge. It's got this weird color breaking fold here. It almost looks like a rip, but it's not. And I'm not happy with the back cover either. So I'm gonna start with some eraser flakes to get this cleaned up, and then I'm gonna steam it again and get it in the press again. Let's start by getting this back cover cleaned up. All right, so I have the document cleaning pad. Which I don't actually use the pad, I use the stuff inside. The Parmesan cheese. And I'm dropping everything. And now I'm just going to work this into these areas of the book. And I erased the perimeter really good with the, the white eraser. But I feel like the middle just, you could see the middle's dirtier than the perimeter. So if I get this middle looking like the perimeter, I'll be in good shape. The thing that sucks about these things, I feel like even when you think you clean them all up, they're like stuck to everything. So you gotta be very careful wiping down your book when you're done, because they just don't go away easy. So I'm gonna do this for a few more minutes. I'm not gonna do the whole thing on camera, but you get the idea. All right, so I did that. I'm just gonna try to clean this up a little more. Cotton round. I can still feel the eraser. One more time. Okay, onto some steam. firm, not smushed. 5 minutes under heat, cooled off for 3 hours. See you in a few minutes. Okay, moment of truth. Second time's the charm. Oh wow. The top looks way better. Yeah, it looks good. Back cover looks a little cleaner. A little bit of waviness there. Tiny bit. But overall, not bad. Unfortunately, there's, you know, some wear there. There's that right there. So my guess it's probably going to be 7.5-ish book. But it's Ms. Marvel #1. So hope you liked that video. If you did, click that like button. And I'll see you guys next time.